Next, today we will discuss about friction. 8 class friction. What is friction? Okay, friction. 8 class NCRT CBSE syllabus. Okay, see here friction. What is definition we will see. Friction is nothing but suppose you are walking. Suppose let us take one ball. You are throwing one ball like this. Ball is going. After some time, ball was stopped. Why it was stopped? There is no another force. No one is this side, but it was stopped. Why? Some frictional force is acting on this ball. Okay, why? Two surfaces, ball surface and ground surface. Between these two, some frictional force is acting on. So ball was stopped. See, assume ball. Whenever I throw a ball, after some time it was stopped because of some frictional force between ball and the ground. So it was stopped. So what is the friction now? From this we can conclude that friction is opposing force that opposes the relative motion between two surfaces. Okay, definition. First point, definition. What is the definition? Friction also a force. Friction also a force. Okay, which a force which resists the resists. Okay, resists or opposes the relative motion relative motion between two surfaces. In previous example, we have seen ball and ground. Ground surface is there, and same time ball has surface that is surface. Okay, so you have seen these two. This is called what? Friction. Next, all air also. Okay. Air, liquid, solids, everything. Any two surfaces, any two media can experience friction of a force of friction. Suppose aeroplane is going in air, aeroplane faces offers resisted by the air. That is called fluid friction. A friction or resistance by air or fluids is called fluid friction. Friction force always applies in the opposite direction of movement. Suppose I am throwing a ball, I am moving a ball, I am moving a box, then friction will act in opposite direction. Suppose this is a box, I am moving like this, then frictional force will act like this, means in parallel to each other in the opposite direction. Okay, next. Now you have understood that what is friction, how in which direction friction will act. Okay, friction is applied or come into picture when two surfaces in contact with each other and relatively moving with each other. What is relative movement? Relative movement means relative motion means what? Suppose any suppose you are standing here, bus is moving, then you can say that bus is relatively moving with person, right? Person is standing here and see the bus, means bus is moving. So next, what are the types of frictions? Now you have to see types of friction. What are the types of frictions? Types of friction. What are the types? First, limiting friction. Limiting friction are called static friction. Next, sliding friction. Next, sliding friction. Next, what is the other type? Rolling friction. What is the limiting or static friction? Suppose a box is on the ground, the friction between these two is called what? Limiting friction or static friction. Next, when the box is moving or sliding, then that friction is called what? Sliding friction. Or when a ball is or wheel is moving like this, then the friction experiences by the this ball is called rolling friction. Okay. Among these, which one is the greater? Is static friction is greater. Next higher is sliding friction. Next higher is rolling friction. Why? Let us assume car was stopped because of no fuel. So we want to push the car. You have to apply more force. Means 10 newtons force you have to apply to car in order to move initially. But after moving sometime, means just after moving, then even if you apply 5 newtons of work, car will move. Why? The limiting friction, initial friction, maximum friction, that is called static friction is high. Just after static friction, sliding friction, after that rolling friction. Rolling friction is very less because if, if it is in rolling condition, then friction will be less. Okay. What are the types of frictions? How many types? Three types. Okay. What are the examples for the frictions? Okay. We will see the some examples that are used, whether that friction is useful or not. We will see here. By friction, whenever we apply brakes, car will stop. Means what? The friction between brake and a car wheel established, thereby car was stopped. So here by using friction concept, we are established, we are fixing the brakes to the cars. So here this is very useful. Okay. Next we will see factors affecting the friction. What are the factors that are affecting the friction? Irregularities, surface irregularities. If more number of surface irregularities are there, then friction will be high. More number of surface irregularities, friction is it. Suppose smooth surface is there, then friction is less. So, okay. Next, even though surfaces which appear very smooth, some surfaces are appearing smooth. You can able to detect the irregularities you see with microscope. Okay. If more number of irregularities, friction is high because that are interlocked. Suppose two are surfaces, two bodies, more number of irregularities. These two surfaces are tightly interlocked, so more friction is there. Suppose here ground is there, more weight is placed here, then friction between these two also, ground and this box also increase. Suppose here less weight is placed here, friction force is less. Depending on weight also, friction established. Okay, so from here we can say that Rough surface has more friction than the what? Smooth surface. Next, friction. Friction is what? A necessary evil. Friction is necessary. Why it is necessary? In some cases it is necessary. Why? Suppose if you want to walk on the ground, friction between your foot and ground required. Otherwise, you will be slipped down. You will be slipped down. You will be slipped. Okay. And also for our shoes, grooves are there. Why? So to increase the friction between our foot and ground, grooves are placed. Okay. The tires of vehicles are there now. For vehicles also treads are there like grooves like this. Why? To introduce the friction between tire and ground. Otherwise, car will be slip. Okay. Okay. Friction. Friction also different machines are there that are moving like this. Okay. In car, in many motors, different parts are moving. Thereby, heat will be produced. Means what? Friction producing heat. Suppose take your hand, rub it to your both hands, rub it, then heat will be produced. That is called friction. If you rub your two hands, then heat will be produced. That is called what? That is also friction. Okay. Next, reduction of friction. In some cases, friction we have to decrease. Where here masonry is there because of friction, heat is produced. So because of that, that wear and tear means brakes like this. Some case, suppose brakes is there, brake is there, brake wheel is there. If you apply the brakes frequently, then the brakes will be damaged. After that, brakes will not apply. So, in some cases, suppose in some cases, friction is undesirable. Where? Where? Here, I have seen in vehicles because of friction, what? It is produced. It is undesirable. So, you have to apply lubricant. Okay. Some doors are there, opening and closing of doors producing noise because of friction. So, you have to apply some oil. Okay. Next, fluid friction. Fluid friction already I have tell you. Gases and liquids which offers some friction. That is called fluid friction. Okay. Fluid friction will increase it whenever an object is moving through it. Okay. If the object is moving through it fastly, then friction also increases. Right. Okay. In order to decrease the friction of fluid friction, okay, we, we will adopt streamline. Streamline movement means both sides like this. Okay, both sides streamlined, here widened like aeroplane like this. Okay, this is also using this concept because reduce the fluid friction. Both ends narrow, middle widened because of to reduce the fluid friction. If more surface is there, more surface is there, then friction will be increased. So the frictional force offered by fluids is called drag. That frictional force is called drag also. We can say drag also. So we have discussed what? What is friction? Friction is what? Force. that oppose the movement of an relative motion is called friction. Friction types and whether friction is useful or not, how to reduce, how to increase velocity. Okay, right.